Hello and welcome back to the channel. So just a short little video here to show you an error I encountered while updating a favicon to my WordPress website. So I've had this blog for a few years now, and I always thought that I should really get around to updating the favicon. So in I went and I chose a site icon via the settings menu, and I dragged in my favicon here, which is just my illustrated face, and uploads fine. But the minute I click the Set as Site Icon button and then click Crop Image, it all seems to fall apart. So we can see the error message there saying there has been an error cropping your image. So we're going to go through how I solved this issue. So we're going to have to go into our server here and we're going to have to change some PHP settings. So I use cPanel and I'm going to go down to this area here that says Select PHP Version. Now, I have recently changed the PHP version on this server, so I think this may be the reason why some settings got changed. I don't know. But regardless, what we need to do is to enable these two extensions here. And one is image.ic, which is the image magic library. And the second is this GD library here. So with both of these extensions enabled now, we're going to go back into our website and we're going to try again. So I'm going to refresh this page. And we're going to try this again. So choose a site icon, click on the image, set as site icon, and crop image. And lo and behold, nice. So all looks good. We can save that. And just to double check, we're going to have a look on the front end in a moment. So settings saved there, front end. Let's clear the cache. And there you go. We have a nice favicon for a website, and that is how you solve the issue of there has been an error cropping your image in WordPress. Don't forget to subscribe and catch you guys in the next one.